Welcome to Next Vault. If you're starting out in the stock market, you're probably wondering, is it better to invest in an ETF or buy individual stocks? In this video, we'll compare the two, advantages, disadvantages, and most importantly, which one is right for you in 2025. Let's get started. Simple definition: ETFs versus stocks. A stock is a share in a specific company. When you buy a share of Apple, you become a part owner of Apple. An ETF, exchange traded fund, is a basket of stocks. For example, an S&P 500 ETF. ETF includes the 500 largest US companies. With one click, you're investing in an entire market rather than just one company. Risks and safety individual stocks. These can be highly profitable, but also very risky. One bad news event, and your stock might drop by 30% in a single day. ETFs. Since they're diversified, if one company in the ETF underperforms, others can balance it out. This results in less stress and less volatility, especially for beginners. Potential returns. Investing in a winning stock like Tesla or Nvidia can deliver big gains quickly. However, making the right picks takes time, analysis, and sometimes luck. On the other hand, ETFs provide more modest but consistent returns, averaging around 7–10% annually over the long term. They're ideal if your goal is to build wealth steadily and with peace of mind. Time and knowledge required. Individual stocks. Investing here is like making your own bets. You'll need to analyze financial reports, follow the news, and review balance sheets. ETFs. Everything is automated. The fund tracks an index or sector, and you let time do the work. There's no need for technical expertise or constant monitoring. Who are ETFs for? Who are stocks for? ETFs. Perfect for beginners, busy individuals, or those who want to invest long-term without active involvement. Individual stocks. Better for those who enjoy analysis, tracking markets, and actively managing their portfolio. You can also combine the two 80% ETFs for stability, 20% stocks for higher risk, high reward opportunities. Conclusion: ETF or stocks. There's no right or wrong answer. It all depends on your profile, goals, and risk tolerance. If you prefer simplicity, security, and long-term stability, start with ETFs. If you want to get hands-on, analyze, and aim for bigger gains, explore stocks. And if you want balance, do a bit of both. Like, subscribe to Next Vault, and let us know in the comments. Are you team ETFs or team stocks? See you soon for another video on achieving financial freedom.